And now, your local 11 weather with Chief Meteorologist Brian Neudorff.
So I've got some wet weather headed our way.
Yeah, wet starts with snow, rain. Tell me if you've heard this one before.
Yeah.
Maybe freezing rain, but I don't think the pocket or the window is that big like last time. We'll watch it closely. We'll have to nowcast that when it gets in here. But temperatures right now in the 20s, 24 Twin Falls, 25 Jerome, 23 in Dietrich. You got teens up in the Wood River Valley. We got high clouds, but the clouds are going to continue to increase. So we'll see those temperatures maybe stay steady. You got a break here, but there's more clouds waiting. That's that next system working its way in here with a warm front, and that's what we had last week. But down to about 4 above in the Wood River Valley, clouds get in there a little late. You'll see more clear skies here this evening. We're about where we're at right now. We may drop a little bit before midnight, but the low temperature by morning, 24 degrees, mostly cloudy, and 21 in the Minnecaja region. Skies will range, generally speaking, mostly cloudy. It's this warm front. That's the next system, and we're already starting to see the snow making its way into northern California, Nevada, and it works in here in the morning. I'm going to go, most of it spreads in here about mid-morning into about midday, but some of you could see it come in here later. Let's zoom in here. We've got advisories. Now, somebody asked me earlier, why is Gooding, Jerome, Twin Falls not under an advisory, but say Minidoka, Cassia County, Lincoln under one? Part of it, you have 2 different National Weather Service offices, the Pocatello one and the Boise office. Here, though, parts of Cassia, Lincoln, Minidoka are going to see higher amounts of snow than, generally speaking, this area. That's why, but that may change once the system moves in, and we've got that winter storm warning through Friday at 5 o'clock with snow, rain and snow, and then back to snow. Here's the breakdown initially. Snow arrives between 9 and noon tomorrow for most locations. It may come in a little earlier to the south. Mixes, changes to rain, looking like Wednesday night, a little earlier than last time. We'll watch that closely. Very low threat of freezing rain. I'm not saying it won't happen, but I think the window is a lot smaller. And then, again, on the day Thursday, all-day rain. We're going to watch that closely, but we start warmer than we did last time. Let's time it out. Starts off, here we go. There's their snow knocking on the door, 9 o'clock, spreads in here. Now you notice some purple. I think we may still be snow through 3, 5, 6 o'clock. Then by 11 o'clock, we might see that changeover take place. And then continuing into the morning, you see a lot more green. I know it wants to put a snow wintry mix, but we're going to see mostly rain on the day Thursday for most of you with rain snow in the Wood River Valley. How much snow? Stanley, Ketchum, Bellevue, 6 to 12, 3 to 6, Shoshone, Richfield, Dietrich, Malta, 1 to 3 most everywhere else, from Castleford to Hagerman to Murtaugh to Wendell, Jerome, Burley, Filer, from 9 a.m. until about midnight Thursday before that changeover occurs. Like last time, the main threat is snow and roads. We'll watch the ice, but at this point, personally, I don't think the threat is that high, especially when I compare it to last week. So here's your forecast tomorrow. 29 degrees for the Wood River Valley. Snow, 3 to 6 inches coming in. That will stay snow longer for the Wood River Valley. Magic Valley. Snow comes in the morning, throughout the afternoon. Watch those roads. If you have things to do, do it early. 1 to 3 inches, 33 degrees. We may see a changeover. Timing is still questionable, maybe more towards 11 o'clock. Same thing in the Minnecaja region, and 32 degrees. Now, once we get this messy weather out, which may happen Friday, because the other part of this system is another system, quickly comes in Thursday night, Friday, changes everything back to snow. And the other story is the temperatures. Look at that. Normally, I would spend most of my time talking about how cold it's going to get for the weekend, but we have a system coming in first, and Saturday and Sunday, 16 and 15 degrees above, bitter, cold conditions, 4 above, 2 below to start things off Sunday morning. I'm already cold just saying it. And then as you look here at the mountains, snow showers, snow and rain Thursday, back to snow on Friday. Bitter cold, but it stays dry. Again, maybe you're wondering, why is it so cold and no snow? Well, one of the big reasons, colder air holds less moisture. It's just the way it works, and that's one of the reasons we're not going to get much snow out of that. But snow that we get Friday could stick around for a couple of days heading into next week. Now the question is, will it last a week? Because Sunday, 1 week until Christmas.
Hard to believe.
Yes, it is.
All right, stay where you are. We'll be right back.